Hi, my name's Kelly Wood and I studied BSc Geology at the University of Hull between 2016 and 2019. I went on to study a Masters in Structural Geology and Geophysics, and I currently work at RSK Geosciences as a graduate geoenvironmental consultant. So on a day-to-day basis at RSK, we do quite a wide range of things. So it could be anything from cable and rotary drilling to plate load testing, to silt management plans and material management plans for well-known house builders across the UK. It's a great job to do, and being at Hull taught me a lot of things and prepared me quite well for when I did get a graduate job. So a few things are, logging was a big one. We do quite a lot of logging, even though most of the time it's just soil. Getting into the routine of logging at Hull was great, even though we log to British standards now, so it's completely different. It is really good, and that did prepare me really well. Another thing is working in a team. We all hate it, but it actually really helped because you will work with a lot of clients, some people that you don't know, and you have to learn how to work with them and how to communicate well. So that was one really good skill that I learned from Hull. And another one is field trips. Field trips really aided in getting used to outdoor conditions. So the job I do, you do a lot of site work. It's 90% site work and 10% office work. So you've got to be ready to work in rain, shine, snow, you name it. So that was another really good thing. And it's difficult as a woman in STEM because sometimes you don't get treated the same as you would if someone else was doing the job. So it's really difficult to communicate with people sometimes, as this is seen to be a man's job. It is really difficult. So you just have to learn how to get around that. That's one big problem we face in this kind of industry. And another problem as a woman in this kind of industry as well is women's PPE. It isn't widely available. So you tend to find that most of the time you will be in men's PPE, which doesn't fit correct. And when you're outside all day in the rain, in the snow, in the sun, you want equipment that fits well. And unfortunately, sometimes that isn't the case. So we have to go out and source that if we wanted women's specific PPE. So that is one thing I wish that would be more widely available. So hopefully that will be something for the future. And if there's one thing I wish I could tell myself, if my younger self, is just be prepared to be thick-skinned and stand your ground, because in this job you really do have to stand your ground. If your technical expertise, you need to be able to put that across to people who may not treat you as fairly as they would a man if they were saying it. So yeah, it'd just be stand your ground and keep going, because it does get better. And right now I've built a great relationship with site managers and clients, and I do get treated as one of their own, and it is great, but I had to work to get to that point. So just be ready to put that effort in. And that's about it. Thank you.